A drink with you. Quickly! Hey, good to see you again, Michael.
Likewise. It's my friend Trevor.
Sit down. Sit. So, what did you tell him about me, about Martin Madrazo?
Martine's an old friend of mine, Trevor.
The truth.
Martine is a terrifying psychopath who tried to kill me.
Exactly. But some people, they no longer fear me as much as they used to. People who were close to me. My cousin, you met him, Michael. Well, apparently, he's thinking about testifying against me.
So I have him killed.
I'm going to. By you.
Our debt was settled.
This is a favor. For a friend. But does friendship mean nothing these days?
Hello? What's the deal?
This is him. Javier. He's flying off to Liberty City this afternoon. And he's taking some files of mine. Innocent files that, I need back. There's a gun set up in the hills. I have a man watching at the airport. We'll let you know, and when he flies by, shoot him down and get the files back.
Man, what's the pay? Huh?
Trevor, come on.
You still want the drink?
Not now! Pendeja! ¿Qué no ves que estoy hablando con las gentes aquí?
All right. You grab a vehicle, something versatile. I'll handle the gun.
All right. You're a waste of space on this earth.
You need anything, get me on the headset.
Raise up now, motherfucker!
Mike, you there? I got some poor bastard's dirt bike.
Yeah, okay. Well, I ain't at the observatory yet. Start heading that way.
By the way, I know why you took me there. To that guy's house. Understood.
Understood what? That he's a terrifying psycho and that you might have that in common? What is it? We gotta work for him.
We don't gotta work for anyone, but I read you, man, loud and clear.
What are you talking about?
All that Aztec stuff. Those weird little artifacts.
What?
The little fertility statues, whatever. The guy has trouble getting it up. We'll clear 2-3 million on those, easy. Perverts will pay anything for hope.
We weren't casing the joint.
We didn't agree to a fee for this job, so what's it all about?
Okay, the guy lives well. That don't mean we're robbing him, but it does mean he's got money to pay people who help him. When the time comes, he'll do the right thing. If he don't, please, let me handle it.
You don't get a wife like that without being rich and an asshole, right?
The fuck?
Jesus, fuck! You fucking piece of shit!
All right, I see the van with the gun in it. You nearby?
Not far out. Shoot the plane down, and I'll be ready.
T, if you could see this gun, it might convince you Martin Madrazo ain't someone to be messing with.
The fancier the gun, the bigger the pussy who owns it. Now take down the jet.
There it is. Out past downtown. The jet's moving. Gotta give a lead. Ah, shit! Nope.
Engine's gone.
Hey, you see it? The plane's coming down. Can you stay with it?
I'm plugged into the air traffic control channel. Keep me updated.
Okie dokie! There you go! There's a small jump coming up!
This is Flight November 9er Charlie Echo. Our engine number 2 is blown. Roger, November 9er Charlie Echo. Flight 240. Say your soul's on board.
Pilot's fighting it, but he's going down!
Good. Stay on it. We need the files. Flight November 9er Charlie Echo. Say your soul's on board. 2 souls on board. Engine 2 totally lost. All hydraulics lost. All hydraulic systems are gone. Roger, November 9er Charlie Echo. Where are you putting it down? We're not gonna make the runway. Gonna have to ditch the son of a bitch and hope for the best. How you doing out there? Still got him?
I'm on him! He's past the airfield! Landing ain't gonna be pretty!
Where are you putting it down? Can you make the Alamo Sea airfield? Can't pull it round. Gonna have to put it down in the field somewhere.
Can't go round the train, gotta go over it!
We have no hydraulic systems, no elevator control, very little aileron control. Series counts are making a landing strip. Need to ditch. Roger, November 9er Charlie Echo. You lost your manual flight control system. Pull your flaps.
How's business, Ronald? Okay, this guy's going down any minute.
Good. Let's hope you don't take out some poor farmer while he's at it.
Only thing they farm out here is methamphetamine.
Ah, Trevor Phillips country.
God, I miss it out here. You gotta come visit sometime.
Yeah, you know what? I'm good. Losing altitude rapidly. I'm going to have to bring it down in dirt. God help us. Roger, November 9 Charlie Echo. What is your status? God help us.
They're in the dirt.
Good. Get the files, and if the cousin made it, take him out.
Sure thing, but seriously, bro, coming all the way out here, we gotta get paid.
Just